Most guys have no idea how to start a conversation with a woman. They overthink it, they freeze, they say some awkward, pre-rehearsed line, and then panic when she doesn't react the way they expected. Or worse, they play it too safe. Look, if you want to talk to women in a way that actually makes them attracted to you, you need to do 3 things. Stop thinking about the perfect thing to say. Start paying attention to what's happening around you. Inject some actual personality into the conversation. Let me show you how this works. The wrong way versus the right way. Imagine this. You're in an art gallery. A woman is standing there, staring at a painting. You walk up and say, "You're the cutest girl in this whole museum, and I'm the cutest guy here, so we should talk." Cringe. That's what one guy actually said in an experiment. And guess what? She shut him down immediately. Not because she wasn't interested, but because he wasn't present. He came in with a memorized line, trying to sound confident, but it felt forced. The words didn't match the moment. And worse, he was telling her how she should feel. Big mistake. Now, here's how you do it right. Step 1. Observation to conversation. The easiest way to start a conversation that actually flows is to use what's in front of you. Look around. What do you see? A painting? A weird sculpture? A dude wearing a ridiculous hat? Say something about it out loud. Not just, "Oh, that's a cool painting." No, attach a story to it. Example, that painting reminds me of something I saw at the Getty once. I got lost in that museum for like 3 hours. I swear, I walked in as a teenager and walked out a full-grown man. Boom! Now you're creating a moment instead of regurgitating some boring compliment. And here's the kicker. She's going to react. Why? Because you're bringing her into your world. Step 2. Because is your best friend. Most guys say something like, "I like basketball." Okay, but why? The word because forces you to go deeper. Try this instead. "I like basketball because I love the energy of it. 5 guys moving together like a machine, reading each other's minds, making split-second decisions. It's addicting." See the difference? It's personal. It's alive. Women want to feel something when they talk to you. They don't care about the words themselves. They care about the emotion behind them. Step 3, own your opinions. No more playing it safe. Most guys avoid saying anything real because they're afraid of rocking the boat. They just agree with everything she says, thinking that'll make her like them more. Spoiler alert, it won't. A woman is attracted to a man who has his own thoughts. If you see a massive mirror in the gallery and you think it's ridiculous, say, "That mirror is way too big. Feels like it belongs in a Bond villain's lair." If there's a Captain Hook poster and you think it's dope, say, "I respect any man confident enough to put his own face on a poster." Own it. Have a take. Because if you don't even believe in what you're saying, how do you expect her to? The bottom line, talking to women isn't about having the perfect pickup line. It's about noticing your environment and using it, injecting personality into your conversations, owning your opinions instead of playing it safe. If a woman can't feel anything when she talks to you, she won't feel attracted to you. Simple. So next time you're in a conversation, stop filtering yourself. Speak with confidence. Have an opinion. Make her feel something.